Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Noah, and today I'll be teaching you guys a new guitar lesson. So let's get started here. Here's the guitar. I'm gonna move the camera a little closer. I'm gonna hold the guitar up a little bit so you guys can see it here. So yeah, this is our guitar. So first things we're gonna cover is you're gonna want to tune your guitar. So typical tuning is gonna go E from the low string up to the from the high string up to the low string. E, B, G. Oh my gosh. So the first thing you want to do before you start playing is tune your guitar. So on this high E string, we'll start here. It'll be E, then it'll be B, then it'll be G, then it'll be D, then it'll be A, and then another low E. So that's the order. So however which way you want to start, we'll start with the low E string, and we'll tune that up. I'll show you guys that. So when we're tuning our guitar, I have an onboard tuner here. You may have a Snark tuner, one that you clip on, or you can use your phone. So I'm going to be turning this E string. As you can see, it is turned to a D right now. So it's out of tune for what we're looking for. So I'm going to play it, and I'm going to slowly turn that up to an E. And that's how that works. Alright, so once you get your guitar all tuned up, then you can start playing. So today we'll be going over 4 chords that will kickstart your guitar playing experience and help you play a lot of just songs that require 4 chords. So the first chord we're going to try is our G chord. So you're going to start with your middle finger. Before we get started with all this, I want to say the spaces between here, we're going to call these frets. So this will be the 1st fret, this will be the 2nd fret, this will be the 3rd fret, this will be the 4th fret, and this will be the 5th fret, and so on. So when I'm calling these out with your fingers, you'll see which fret in each string to put your fingers on. So to get started with that G chord, which is the first chord we're going to learn, you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the 3rd fret of that low E string. Then you're going to take your pointer finger and follow it on the 2nd fret of that next string. And then for your fingers down here, you're going to go to the high E string and the high B string, and they're going to go on the 3rd fret at the bottom. So they're just going to follow underneath like that. To get a better view of these chords, here's this G chord. As you can see, your finger here, and then fingers here to follow. You're going to play it like this. And when you're holding that, you can play each note. To make sure you're not covering on each of them, make sure your hands are cupped and that you're only touching the strings that you're trying to touch. And then you give it a strum, this is what it should sound like. Alright, so after you get that G chord down, the next chord we're going to go to is a D chord. So you're going to take your pointer finger, it's going to go on the 2nd fret from that 3rd string from the bottom, so like 1, 2, 3. 2nd fret, pointer finger goes there, easy. Next, you're gonna have your ring finger go on the 3rd fret of that 2nd string from the bottom. So 1, 2, ring finger there on the 3rd fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and it's going on that high E string on the 2nd fret underneath of your pointer finger. So there's gonna be 1 string gap between. So it's gonna look like 1, 2, 3. 2 of them are on the same fret on the 2nd fret, and then your ring finger is on the 3rd fret. And then you're gonna strum it. It's going to sound like that. Fingers here, here, and here. So after that, the next chord we're going to go to is an E minor chord. And this one's probably the easiest of these chords that we're going to cover right now. So we're going to go with your pointer finger and your middle finger, and they're going to go from the high E string here, or the low E string here, we're going to go 1, 2 from the top, pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret, just like that. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 from the top here, and your middle finger is gonna go on that next string, right underneath it on the 2nd fret. And then when you strum that, it should sound like this. Fingers here and here. All right. So for the next chord we're going to learn, we're going to go to a C chord. And often you can play C like this, but for the sake of what we're doing here, we're going to play it this way, more of a C out. So yeah, we're going to take our middle finger. It's going to look a lot like the G chord. That's why we're going to play it that way. So it's going to go from the second string from the top, middle finger, 3rd fret. So 1, 2, middle finger gets placed onto the 3rd fret here. Then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 2nd fret, pointer finger. So it's very similar to that G chord. And then the last 2 fingers, the exact same thing, the way we play that G chord. Then we go on the bottom 2 strings here, or the high strings, on the 3rd fret. So when you play that, it should sound like this. Fingers here, 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 and here. So great, once you get those figured out, then you can take those chords and you can start just playing. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll start with the G, then we'll go to the D, then we'll go to E minor, and then we'll go to that C that we learned. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go like this. G, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3. Back to G. Good. So after you get all that, that's awesome. You guys, you figured out your first chords. And this is really all you need for a lot of songs. Like Wagon Wheel. So let's get into some strumming patterns as well. So an easy way, after you get down to the 1, 2, 3, 4, you can get into a little like down, up, that way. So we'll go down, down, up, down, up. So I'll do that again, I'll go slow. Down, down, up, down, up. So your hand's kind of going to be going like this the whole time, but you're only going to be hitting the strings on the down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. All right. So after you get that, you guys can start just jamming, looking up songs, and playing whatever you want. So yeah, thank you guys.